Savvy Serena. If this is your first time here, you are seeing my hoarder / office room. And this is a project that I'm going to work on from time to time because it gets like this, and if I don't stay on top of it, it'll get worse. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Some of the stuff that I have in here, well, not that, but some of it is my husband's amongst in the junk. I have a lot that's my husband's, and I talked to him, told him I really need to get in this room, and he told me to find, it's like this box right here, underneath that hopper box. Underneath is a box that I made a project box for Ed, which is my husband, to do around the house. And I've got these totes, these blue totes, one of my blue totes that I've already started filling up. He wants me to take one of these totes and fill it up with like stuff that he needs for household projects, and then use another one for everything else. So that's what I'm going to do. This one I'm using for my spring and fall decor. It's kind of like seasonal, but not Christmas. Everything but Christmas is going to go in this. My everyday spring, fall decor is going to go in this tote. So I know where it's at from here on out. I've got a bunch of these that I bought on clearance at Dollar General about a month or so ago. And now I'm starting to use them. But I need, today is like December 7th, I think. And I still haven't got my Christmas stuff up yet. And we probably won't until, I don't even know if we're going to do it this weekend. I don't even know. But anyways, I need to clean out the office because I need a place to store the Christmas boxes. Before, if you've seen my video before, I got it to where you could basically get on the floor. Well, I kind of need to do that again, but as we get stuff, it ends up plobbling in here because I have no storage in this house. And because of no storage, I have no place to put this stuff. And we're trying to do house projects and stuff like this to try to update the house. But my husband's been working so much, he ain't been able to do it. But like this box right here. This is my husband's box. And you can see it's got like batteries, screwdriver, some screws down there, some wire cutters, some hooks for something. All the stuff, that would be household. So what I may do, I don't know if I'm going to show each process as I go and just show you what I've done at the end instead of like I did before, because then I get too chatty. So what I may do is just work on it and then show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to get a couple of totes. I know that I normally have a system of put away, throw away, give away. Well, today it's going to be a little different. It's going to be household. Everything that's not household, I'm going to label junk. So it's going to be household, junk, and then I've got a trash bag here. So if anything is trash, I can throw it away. I will probably not have any giveaways today because this is all ad stuff. So I can't do that. But like this right here would all be considered household. So we're going to make that household. And these wax applicators, we bought these on sale. We'll make those household. So I'm just going to keep going through and start filling the totes up. And, you know, probably this whole thing is household. Yep, because I don't know when he's going to put these up. He bought these on clearance to put a thermometer. Before it gets too dark in here, I filled up this tote. And I'm working on this tote here. But it's getting dark in here quick. And I've got like, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. That's got a blanket in it. That's my trash. That's empty. That box there was a box I unloaded in these totes. And then the boxes I'm going to use right there to wrap. So I just stuck them in the hallway. And I've got room on the floor again, like I did before. And I'm not seeing anything else that belongs to Ed right now. So I guess that's all I can do with him. That didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. That was rather quick. This is going to be, maybe this will be clips of stuff. I may just keep working on this and then showing you clips as I go along. Because it was basically all I was doing was trying to make room and the floor again. This is the next day. My husband, he came in here and he did a little bit more in here than what I did. He stacked some of that stuff up that was on the dresser so we could put more stuff there. It still puts light in here, but I don't need both windows really. I mean, this puts plenty of light in here for me to see. But anyways, I got the shop back in here and the other back, and now there is plenty of room in here, which that window is blinding, but not bad at all. So I've done some accomplishment. Like I said, we've got room now if we have to put Christmas boxes in here, because I could stack them up right here. It's like 4, 5, or 6 boxes and totes that we use that I can stick right there with no problem. So I just figured I'd keep giving you an update. We still have all these. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left that I can use. And I may end up taking these boxes at another time and put some of the stuff in these, and it would eliminate all that under there maybe. I don't know. To give you an update on the office part, I'm going to have to work on this and then show you gradually, because it's a chaotic mess again. It is a chaotic mess. I was trying to switch my bill book over, but I'll work on this some other time because I can't do it today. But like I said, I'll keep showing updates as I do things, but this is a chaotic mess again, which I need to probably work on this again. It's just, I don't know. I think when I bring stuff in here, I just plop it on the desk. The little folder thing is not working. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. So what I was doing before was not working at all. So I'm going to have to revamp this. Some of that is working. I just put that box of trash bags there, you know, just because I keep needing to throw things away. But this is a chaotic mess again. So I'll keep you updated as I keep doing this a little bit better. To show you, this is all the stuff that was in the office that he's going to now put in the shed outside. He's got it temporarily here in the hallway, and I hear him out there hammering to make shelves to put the stuff on. So that's what he's working on now. So when I have another update, I'll keep adding. Something else too I wanted to add. I wrote directly on the tote itself. This is mine. This says seasonal. It's my seasonal decor inside this one. So when I'm looking to figure out what something is, I can see what it is. You can take permanent marker and write on these totes. And let's say you switch them out and you don't want to use it as seasonal anymore, or you get rid of that seasonal stuff, or whatever, you want to change the name of it, you can take rubbing alcohol, because I tried it first to make sure it was going to work. You spray some rubbing alcohol. I've got 90%. rubbing alcohol, you spray it and wipe it with a paper towel and it will come right off. So instead of making a label that could possibly come off, I figured I'd do it this way. And I tried it on the lids and the side, and it will come off. So instead of making a label, that's a whole lot better. I'm just going to write directly on the tote.